Today we're going to be setting up Ableton Live. First we're going to go through the equipment. Right here we have an audio interface, complete 6. Right here we have a 4-channel snake. Everything is labeled 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right here we have a USB cord. Pretty simple, straightforward. Right here we have a power supply. Right here we have a MacBook Pro. Alright, I'm going to take the power supply, plug it in. I'm going to take the USB cable, take that, plug it into the audio interface, right into the little orange spot right there. You want to plug 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You're going to take the snake and plug 1, 2, 3. Pretty simple. 1 is track. 2 is click. 3 is cue. 4 is where you're going to plug the bass. You're going to take that line and plug it into a bass amp. Red, blue, and yellow. Red, blue, and yellow. Alright, now we're going to turn on the computer. Pretty simple. Going to put in a password. I'm going to go to the computer. Open up the program. From here, you should be ready to go, honestly. Everything should play. No problem. If there is an issue though, literally all you have to do is going to be your audio interface is off. You just go to the right corner, click on that little thing right there, open both of those. Click on complete 6, which is your audio interface, and you should be good to go. Most of the functions are going to be these 3 buttons. That's literally all you gotta press. Right here, you got me pressing the buttons just to kind of show you how to get around. If you press those 3 buttons, that'll have the whole show.